So I've been looking for a pair of shoes to wear to an upcoming trade show. Going to walk a lot of miles. Decided to go with these Skechers work shoes. Let's take a look at them. These say that they've got air-cooled memory foam insole, slip-resistant sole. Kind of interesting pattern. The material is real grippy, and it's kind of like a Velcro or something. So we'll see how they work. I've tried them on, and they seem pretty comfortable. So they look great. I like the black on black look. And yeah, there's a size 13. Pretty nice. And they're also, I guess, insulated for electrical hazard type of situations. But for me, I'm looking for something I can walk in that looks okay and isn't real heavy. And I think these Skechers are going to do the job. Hope this helps.